Good evening. So this evening, what we're doing is stuffing some tin cans. See if I can get a better picture of this. Stuffing some tin cans, just some regular soup cans. No need to waste them, throw them in the garbage. What you can do is make some bug houses with them. So I basically went around my property, picked up everything that I could to fill these up. So we've got actual dog hair in here that they can nest in. There is some pine needles, some spruce here, leaves and whatnot that the bugs can actually burrow into. So I've got two of those. I've got two that are going to be filled with acorns. These are for spruce and pine trees. And also two more that are going to be filled with sticks. And what I'm going to do is I've attached them with a string tied around, and I am going to hang that on my fence and make a few of them for around the property for the bugs to snuggle into, especially through the winter and whatnot. But it keeps your garden and your property healthy by keeping your insects happy. And so this is my project for this evening that I've been working on, and I've been saving up some soup cans for a while. These ones are I think they were tomato cans. They're a little bit bigger than the regular sort of Campbell's noodle soup size. And I've got some pine trees and spruce trees growing on the property, so I just pick up my pieces that fall down and crunch some pine needles and some sticks so that it fills up the cans. Anyway, just an idea. You can actually paint your cans as well if you want. I prefer to leave mine in the rustic look because I don't want to have any toxic environments for my bugs to live in. So there you go. Quick and easy. And reduce, reuse, and recycle as much as you can. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye-bye.